ever wondered that why is it that some of our hard-earned currency, depreciates almost every year? Me and you can testify that your 10,000 naira last year, what it could buy last year is not what it can buy this year. Yes or yes?
Yes.
All right. Now this is the problem with our hard-earned currency. The government have every right and can go into their banking system to print as much as possible currency as they can. Please understand this thing very well. You see, the more they print out a particular product, and whereby the product is so much circulating too much, that kind of product will begin to lose value. I believe you all know what we call the law of supply and demand. When there is a higher demand of a particular there's always a hike in price. When there is scarcity of a particular product, what happens when there is scarcity of a product? There will be hike in price of that kind of product when there is scarcity. So the problem that our money is having is that it is inflationary in nature by the design and the architecture. It is inflationary by design. But when it comes to cryptocurrency, it is deflationary by design. Inflation does not eat crypto. Just like your naira. What you use 2,000 naira to buy 2 years ago is not what you use 2,000 naira to buy today. That's for your naira. But that does not imply in crypto. Most time crypto keeps on appreciating in value. So that's why I said limited supply. I think as we go on, we'll be able to understand better what this actually mean. I'm sorry, please. Let me reduce this screen. Alright. Now, why was Bitcoin created? Now, Bitcoin was created. History of Bitcoin. Let's go into that. Now, Bitcoin was created in 2009. Please note, by an anonymous person or group called Satoshi Nakamoto. Till today, we don't know the past person who created Bitcoin, but we know it by the name. The only thing that was left is just 9 pages of a white paper. That was what was left, and the name, which is Satoshi Nakamoto till date. Now, the main purpose to create money that people can control without depending fully on banks. Now, you see, the person who created Bitcoin, he understood a particular system. He knew that if the world continued this way, power will keep on belonging to the government. And if you notice, one of the ways that the government have been able to keep a lot of people as their slave is through poverty. So they know that as long as they can, they have control over these people, assets or their finances or the economy, automatically they will still keep listening to them no matter what. So that's one of the major problems that we are having in this African generally, even in some places in other countries. But what somebody knew that this thing cannot be sustainable. What happened? He created a decentralized money, a money that is outside of the government, a system that is outside of the government. The reason why the government kept on fighting Web3, blockchain, cryptocurrency is because they were not the one that originated it. Please understand this thing. The government did not originate Web3, blockchain technology or cryptocurrency. That's their pain and that is their problem, because they have not really understood it. And those that have understood it, they knew that if they should implement this thing, it will take away power from them. I don't know if you are getting what I'm saying now. Please, are we on the same page? Are we all on the same page? Alright, thank you very much. So let's continue. So now, problems Bitcoin try to solve. We have the likes, number one, slow banking system. You know, sometimes you will transfer, like, thank God for all this OPay, PalmPay and the likes. Few years ago, you know how worst it was whenever you are transacting. Now, high transaction fees. I can even say thank God for all this OPay and PalmPay also. At least there's a reduction of all these charges from our bank. Few years ago, you remember, you might put 1,000 in your bank. Before you know, they have removed like 300 naira. 200 naira, so that, like that. It has happened to a lot of us before. And